So this is the station. It's all been modernised, but they have preserved a big chunk of it behind this facade. I don't know if it's possible to see it. This is inside the station, very modern, lots of shopping facilities, nice easy to read display boards. Now, just waiting for the train to be advertised, so I just had a quick 360-degree whiz around this part of the concourse. This is the original Prague station, which I come across the other side of the road. Unfortunately, the sun is shining right in my direction. Just walked up the stairs full of needles and all sorts of nasty stuff. Anyway, I better get back to my wife. Alright, I've crossed over the road back to the directly outside the station, see if I can get any views. Because of the sun, it's really difficult. Anyway, I'm in the shade. So this is the actual main entrance. So this is the actual old booking hall. It's fantastic. There's the exit to the platforms. So I've walked outside that old booking hall onto the platforms. And there goes a Czech train just leaving, believe it or not, given we're in Czech land. So what's the time now, Beverly? Here comes the train we're going to catch. Got a bit at the back then, Bev. Yeah.